We are going to see how to create lists in HTML. First, open VS Code. After opening VS Code, take a new file and save the file with .html extension. I am giving the name list.html. Here, save as type. Select HTML. Then save the file. After saving the file, first create the basic HTML section. After creating the basic HTML section in between body tag, I am paste OL tag. OL means ordered list. In ordered list tag, I paste list item tag. In list item tag, I paste the content apple. Here again I am taking another list item tag and paste the content wall. Here again I am taking another list item tag and pasting the content cat. Let's see the output. This is the output. The indexes of the item are displayed in the form of numbers 1 to 3. If I want to change the indexes type, then I simply paste the type attribute in the OL tag. Here is the OL tag. Here I am pasting type attribute type equal to. Want to display the indexes as ABC. That's why I am pasting A. Let's see the output again. Here the indexes of the item are displayed in the form of ABC. This is the use of ordered list tag. Now we are going to see the syntax on ordered list program. By creating an ordered list, paste the UL tag, UL, then in UL tag paste the list item tag, then paste the content between list item tag. I paste the content son in the list item tag. And again I am taking another list item tag. Here I am pasting the content moon. Here again I am taking another list item tag. Here I am pasting the content star. Let's see the output. Here the indexes of the item are displayed in the form of symbols. The disk symbol is default symbol. If I want to change the symbol, then I simply paste the type attribute in the list item tag. Here I am paste type equal to square. Here I paste the type content for 3 list item tags. Let's see the output now. Here we can see the indexes of the item are displayed in the form of square because I paste the type equal to square. If I paste the type equal to circle, then the indexes are displayed in the form of circle. In this way, you can gain the symbols of as indexes in UL tag. Note: in OL tag, if we want to change the type, then we have to declare the type attribute in the OL tag itself. But in case of an UL tag, if we want to change the type attribute, then we have to indicate the type attribute in the list item tag. This is the major difference between OL tag and UL tag. Now let us see the difference between DL tag. DL tag means descriptive list tag. Here I am pasting DL. In DL tag, I am pasting DT tag. DT means descriptive title. DT is used for giving titles HTML. Then I am giving DD tag. DD tag is used for giving data to the description. Its full form is description definition tag. It is used to design web pages. Now let us see the output. This is the output. Here HTML comes as the subheading and it is used to design web pages. It comes as the description of the subheading. In this way the descriptive list tag works. Hope you understand. If you understand this video, then like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about list tags, then I provide the link in the description. Go and check it out for the video. Thank you.